Good morning, children. We are discussing cell organelles in the class 9. Today, we are going to discuss another important cell organelle, the very important cell organelle, that is plastids. What, children? Plastids. What are these plastids? Before going to know these plastids, we have to understand the differences between plant cell and animal cell, because plastids are the cell organelles are only found in plant cells. Why? So this is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So when you understand these are cell organelles, some of the cell organelles, cell wall, second one is vacuole, third one is centrioles, plastids, then centrioles. So these are the major cell organelles that bring differentiation among the plant between the plant and animal cells. So for example, if we take in a plant cell and animal cell, in a plant cell, cell wall is present, means it is a cell membrane, around it the another tough coat is present in a plant cell, but in the animal cell the cell wall is absent. In the same way, vacuoles are present in a plant cell, that is big vacuoles. Vacuoles are the cell organelles. Because of the vacuoles, the nucleus is pushed at the corner in the plant cells. But when it comes to the animal cells, the vacuoles are absent. If present, they are very small. If we take an example, amoeba. So in the amoeba, we can find food vacuole, contractile vacuole. So these are small vacuoles. Except amoeba, so many other animal cells do not have vacuoles. So another important thing, today's our topic, plastids. These are the important cell organelles which are helpful in performing photosynthesis. Plants perform photosynthesis. They are called autotrophs because they prepare their own food. Because of the presence of plastids, the plant cells prepare their own food. Do we have plastids, children? No. If you have plastids, we may be in different colors. Flowers are in different colors, fruits are in different colors, leaf is in different color. But we don't have such colors. The animals also have colors in parrots, etc. But those are the reasons are different there. Why we'll discuss in other class. So plastids are nothing but the cell organelles present in the plant cells which helps in photosynthesis and give color to the plant, leaf, fruit, flowers. Centrioles, these are absent in a plant cell. The centrioles only present in an animal cell. Centrioles' role is cell division. When cell divided into two, the centrioles play a major role. If you ask a question now, sir, do plant cells don't divide? Plant cells also divide. Instead of centrioles, plants have some other organelles called polar caps. Because of polar caps, plant cells divide. But polar caps are absent in animal cell. Centrioles are present in animal cell. So this is the four important differences. Another important big difference also you can find. Plant cells are bigger than bigger than animal cells. So like that, some differences we can find. But when it comes to plastids, plastids are found only in the plant cells. Let us try to understand what are the plastids. What is their role? What is their role in a plant? So plastids generally produced from proplastids. The proplastids convert into different kinds of plastids. This was first discovered by Skimper. Skimper was a scientist, discovered the plastids in plant cells. So if you observe a plant, you can find different colors in it. For example, if you take a potato and cut it, you can open it. What kind of color you can find? White color, isn't it? Banana, white color. Guava inside, white color. But when you observe the flowers, they are in different colors. When you observe the leaf of a plant, it is green in color. So these colors in a plant is due to plastids. So the plastids majorly three kinds. One is leucoplast. Second one is chromoplast. Third one is chloroplast. So when it ends with plast, it is a plastid. So as per the color, the plastids were differentiated into three kinds. One is leucoplast, chromoplast, chloroplast. So just we discussed, leucoplast are white in color. Means it has the storage of food. Storage, it take part in storage like banana, potato, different fruits, vegetables which are in white color. These plastids store the food. Next, chromoplast, they are different colors. Blue, green, orange, red, different kinds of colors in a plant, fruits, flowers, etc. So why these are in different colors? They tempt the animals for their reproduction. Flower is beautiful, the bird comes to it. Fruit is very beautiful with good smell, good attractive color. The animals like monkeys come to the fruit and eat it. What is the use of it? Plant do not move from place to place. Because of these colors, very interesting children, these animals get tempted, go near to it, eat it and throw the seeds. It helps in dispersal of seed, dispersal of what you say fruit, or nothing but dispersal of what you say take part in reproduction. The honeybees come to the flower. Why children? Because to collect its nectar. To collect the nectar, it will be in different colors. So the flowers and fruits are different colors for the sake of reproduction. So this is the importance of chromoplast. Chromo means coloring, different colors. Leuco means white. The very important cell organelle is but another plastid present in a plant, chloroplast. So chloroplast, where do you find children? You can find in all leaf and at the same time green colored stem. Can you tell me which plant stem is green in color? The plants which are growing, they are green in color. But when it comes to xerophytes are nothing but what you can say? Desert plants, all the stem is green in color. The stem perform photosynthesis in xerophytes. So what you have to understand here, the leaf consists of the specialized chloroplast. So there is plastids called chloroplast, which take a very important what I say process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay children, these are the different kinds of what I would say plastids. So what is the importance of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis helps in production of food. So who will prepare food? All the green plants. What is the green plant consists of? Chloroplast. What is photosynthesis? Simply means say carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. That what you answer chloroplast, chlorophyll. What is the difference between chlorophyll children? Chlorophyll is a coloring substance, that is color. Plastid is a organelle. For example, it is an organelle, but this organelle is filled with a pigment, green coloring pigment, chlorophyll. It is a chlorophyll, it is a plastid, chloroplast. I said already, shirt. The shirt is in different colors. In a class, different people wear shirt in different colors. Shirt is shirt, but color is different. In the same manner, chloroplast is a plastid organelle, like mitochondria, lysosome. But a pigment, a coloring chemical present in it, it is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll was first discovered by Pelletier and Caventou in the 1817. Pelletier and Caventou. Okay. So chlorophyll present in chloroplast and perform photosynthesis for the production of food. Hence, these three important kinds of plastids. Simply we can say that the part of a plant which is not exposed to light have leucoplast, fruits, etc. Okay, so like that you have to understand, right? Thank you. These are the different kinds of plastids. We'll discuss chloroplast structure in the next class. Okay.